Okay, this is an explanation of how you can smoothen some lines once you've drawn them and they look a little bit jagged. So let's say, oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Let's start over. Where am I? I'm here in the pen tool. Let's say I've drawn a shape that's a little bit, black, yeah. My shape is, I actually wanted it to be curves. I want it to be smoother rather than these like choppy lines. So what I'm going to do is that if I've already drawn my shape, I'm going to come here to the pen tool and I'm going to change it to the anchor point tool. And that's going to allow me to add curves onto the different points so that they're no longer just straight lines connecting, but a bit of a curve. Doesn't really, I don't have to get the curve to be exact to begin with. I just want to make sure I've got curves, because then what I can do is once I've done that, I can grab these different handles here to change my curve to make it closer to what I had in mind. I can also use, actually it might be easier to use this direct selection tool to control each curve separately. There you go. If I want to add points, I can always add points going back to this pen tool. See, it's got a little plus. Just add a couple of points in there, which will allow you to get more detail. There you go. If the point already has a curve, which you will know because you will see these little handles, I don't have to use the anchor point to add handles. I can just move the point itself. And that usually happens if I'm drawing it in the middle of a curve. If I want to do the opposite, which is to go from a curve to a straight line, all I have to do is bring the handle all the way to the edge, all the way to the point. And you will see that it goes back to a straight line. It's hard to tell here because there's all these curves going on, but right here, the curve has disappeared. Let's do it on all of them and just have a look. You see. Okay, I hope that helped.